Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Dev's Kingdom. This is Jacob. Today's topic is SmolAgents, which was released a few days ago. So it already got like almost 2,000 stars, which means it's a pretty good project. So it is a bare bones library for agents. So what it does, it is a library that enables you to run powerful agents in a few lines of code. Okay, and it offers simplicity, first-class support for co-agents and hub integrations, which are all very true. So to install it, just do a pip install SmolAgents. Then you can start running awesome agents pipeline. And in this demo, we're gonna show you how to do this in Colab. That being said, let's go to the Google Colab. So what you have to do, basically just do a pip install SmolAgent, and then just do a import for different libraries, tool calling agents, tools, and light LLM model. So basically, all SmolAgents use light LLM to wire up all the models. And for example, if you want to use Groq models, so simply just do model ID Groq based in your model you want to use, and then also your API key from your Groq console, and then you can start test the agent. So first, for example, you want to get a weather for a specific location. So for example, if this tool returns the weather, assume this is the weather that's returned from the API. If you have API, you can also write something in here, but this is a fake response. Just use that to test. Then you can start using tool calling agents. The tools is basically the tool defined here, and the model is the Groq model. As you can see, basically it responds and correctly, which is calling the tool get weather with this argument. It is Paris, so which is the specified in here, Paris. So they detect it and they trigger the tool. Then they're calling this tool final answer. So basically the answer is the weather is Paris is ugly with torrential rains and temperature below 10 degrees. So this is exactly what this is. So this handles everything correctly. So the second one, if you want to set up everything on Ollama, they also support that because the light LLM model supports that. So what you can do is basically support the model ID, use Ollama chat and Ollama model name. So in this case, we'll use the Llama 3.2. So the base URL is something we just set up on Colab as well. So basically, let's go to the other setup. So this is basically the notebook we created for Ollama on Colab. So you can run Ollama on Colab for free, and just do a bash command. Basically, create a function to run bash command within Python. Then also install Ollama using this one line command, and then set the Ollama host to 0000, not localhost. Make sure it's this address. Then Ollama origins to everything, and then serve Ollama. So that's it. Run a command. You can spin up Ollama. And then you have to run some customized models if you want. So first, you can create a model file. So if you want a larger context window, set the parameter name context to a window you want to set. And then for this example, we just use Ollama, this Ollama 3.2. And after that, you can just create this customized model. So for example, Llama 3.2 extra context, or you can use the default one. Depends on what you want to do. And after that, do a Llama list. You can see the model has been added. So the model Llama 3.2, Llama 3.2 extra context, and the QM. So for example, then you can have to set up Nginx. Make sure you do apt install for Nginx because Colab is based on Ubuntu or Debian systems. So you can do apt install Nginx. After that, make sure you create a Ollama serves configuration for Nginx like this, and point to the localhost 11434, which is the default Ollama port, and then do an ngroq and install ngroq from the pip, and then copy and paste the ngroq token to here. Right, ngroq authentication. Then you use ngroq to connect a local port. So the ngroq will set up a public URL, which is 518e. So this is one we are demoing today. So you can see that's running. So there's no issues here. It's running right now. And you can see this is spin up this Ollama public URL, which point to your local Nginx port. That's going to route the traffic to your local Ollama instance, which is this one. So you can also do engine start and stop and start, so that you will see that things are gonna spin up similar to the URL that you see here. So you can just do a quick check using API tags to see all the models that you installed. So that being said, let's continue with the SmolAgent. So after you set up the Ollama on Colab, then you can paste the URL here. And the API key is just Ollama because it doesn't need the API key. So, and you can use this also the pipeline for CodeAgent, passing the tools. You can use the .go search and then also pass the model, which is Ollama model. You can see here. Basically, start executing the pipeline using Ollama 3.2. And here, basically, there's just a red code to calculate the speed, which is the how many seconds would it take for a leopard at full speed to run through ponds, death, arts. So then they start thinking about it, write the code, and give the answer. So that's how you actually run SmolAgent with Ollama on Kaggle Colab. Sorry, not Kaggle Colab, Google Colab. And let's go to this also another blog, which also from the SmolAgent. So they also support E2B code executor. So if you want to run E2B, I have a video for that. It's E2B fragments. If you want to run E2B, then you can actually check out this video. And also for the SmolAgents, to use that, you have to install E2B code interpreter and python.dev environment, and then pass in the E2B API key, and that's it. So run this sample, so then you can start to run the E2B agents as well. So that being said, hopefully this is helpful. And if you want to run more examples, they have examples here. So you can just go these examples, and you can run all these examples like E2B RAG and also text to SQL, and that's pretty good. So that being said, if you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. See you in the next one.